Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM with Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring an Excel file into NotebookLM, ask smart questions about your data, and quickly turn those insights into clear summaries and visuals. First, open your browser and go to NotebookLM. You'll land on a clean home screen where everything is organized around notebooks. Think of a notebook as a dedicated workspace for a single project or dataset. From here, you can create a new notebook or open an existing one. If you're working with a new dataset, starting fresh is usually best, while existing notebooks are useful for combining multiple sources of information. Give your notebook a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. This is especially important if you plan to work with multiple datasets or projects over time, as good organization will save you a lot of confusion later on. Once you're inside your notebook, look for the option to add sources. Sources are the files and documents that NotebookLM uses to understand your content and generate answers. In this case, we are going to upload an Excel file so the system can analyze your data directly. Click on Upload Files and then select your Excel workbook from your computer. For best results, make sure your spreadsheet is properly structured before uploading. The first row should contain clear headers, columns should use consistent formats, and important sheets should be clearly labeled. This helps NotebookLM interpret your data accurately. If your file is too large or not supported, you can save it as a CSV file and upload that instead. Once the upload finishes, NotebookLM immediately starts processing your data. You can then begin interacting with it right away by asking it to summarize your spreadsheet, identify trends, calculate totals, or extract specific insights. The more specific your question, the better the results. For example, you can reference date ranges, column names, or how you want the data grouped. NotebookLM also allows you to turn your data into simple visual summaries using its infographic-style outputs. These are especially useful for showing comparisons, trends over time, rankings, or proportions. When making a request, keep it clear and focused. State exactly what you want to compare and which labels matter, so the tool can produce a clean and meaningful layout. When you're ready, click Generate. NotebookLM will process your request and return either a written summary, structured insights, or a visual output depending on your prompt. Take a moment to review the results and always cross-check important numbers with your original spreadsheet to ensure accuracy. If needed, you can refine the output with short follow-up prompts for a different angle or more detail. And that's the full workflow. Open NotebookLM, create or select a notebook, add your sources, upload your Excel file, and start exploring insights through summaries and visuals. With clear prompts and well-structured data, you can go from raw spreadsheet rows to meaningful insights in just a few seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.